Well, what is this? Part 4? Pulling the fuel tank. Well, I can't get it all the way out of there. This truck sets way too dang low. And that fuel tank is not very small. It is actually pretty huge. I think it's a 32-gallon tank, 36-gallon tanks. 36-gallon tank. That's what it was. And it is one big fat behemoth. But the tank looks clean. So we're going to get on the other side at some point. Probably not today. Maybe here in a week or two. Figure things out. Think things through. Attempt to. But we're left with the fuel sending unit. You see some white stuff there, if you can. That's ethanol. We do not want that. A little bit of white here. I believe there's gasoline in here. And that looks like it's dirty. I don't know if I could pull that off. Because we don't want it sucking nothing up. Because then it'll just destroy the whole sending unit. Looks like you can pull a tab here, pull a tab there. Move some wires and it should come off. Or you got a deal there you can take it off of. And take one off here. Take this whole assembly out. But to an untrained mechanic or a DIYer like me, or someone that don't know what they're doing anyway, cannot fix these. I don't know if a specialized mechanic could fix these. Manufacturer probably could. But we're going to take this thing and put it in the truck so nothing happens to it, hopefully. And I guess I question my decisions. And inspect this tank here. I don't guess it's a crack. Hole here, and then some others. I gotta seal up. We'll probably put gasket maker in it. Then let it set for a week or two. Whenever we can. Or maybe not a week or two, but let it set several days. And figure out when I'm going to put it back together. That is one absolute behemoth of a fuel tank for 1500. Maybe not for 1500, but it just seems like this truck needs to be lifted about 10 inches and put 44s on it. Or maybe a 6-inch lift with 35s. So maybe a reinforced axle with we don't need those spacers. It's going to stick out wide enough without spacers. I know that from my dad's truck. And figure out all these fuel lines, where they go, how they work, rig up fuel lines, and this K&N fuel filter here. And see how it goes. And I'll see you in the next video when I figure things out.